Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new wireless Asus router. It's the AC86U. I'm currently using the 68U. This one is rated at 2900 and the other one is rated to 1900. From what I can tell you, this router won't be faster than mine from the point of view of wireless or networking, but it has a dual core CPU which is clocked at 1.8 versus my 800 megahertz router, and it will be faster on the cloud storage. I'm currently getting 24 megabytes and my torrents will be downloading faster, and the UI and everything will be smoother, because on the current router I have problems with random freezes, disconnects and all other stuff. I think because there is a flaw with RAM management and CPU speeds, because it gets very unresponsive when I'm doing something from the HDD. So let's get to the unboxing. Right now it is in foil. I will be cutting it with my scalpel. Okay. So it comes from the side. I'll be removing the front cover. So it's a box in a box. I will also be testing with this router my AI mesh, which it can create. As you can see, it's the what the fast, I don't know how this pronounces. I'll be testing that too. So in the box first comes the router. I'll be removing the foil. So this is the router itself, the new gaming stylish. It has a USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. This is the on-off button, the power adapter, the main Ethernet, and the 4 Ethernet outputs. The LED has an on-off button. It's now pushable. On the AC68 it's only it has one function to disable the LEDs, but it's push in and push out like the power button. But the function is the same, and after the reset the lights are on by default. Okay, here on the front are some LEDs for 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, power, internet and the Ethernet adapters. And here on the top are the antennas, and on the sides this is Wi-Fi on off and VPS button, and here on the back we have a reset button, which is really hard to reach. Okay, the base stand is basically the same router as my AC68. Putting the router aside and getting the box in front again. Here on top we have the antennas. They are brand new looking antennas with the gaming style look. Some paperwork. Here we also have the adapter. This is pretty standard. I have a laptop which runs, it's the same from the Asus. It has the same adapter. So the adapter is the same from the last generation. Let's see if I can focus. Okay, So it's a 32 ADP 32AW adapter, and it's rated for, I don't know how many watts, I think 33 if I'm not mistaken. It's a pretty long cable, and you also have the Ethernet cable inside. It's a black one, pretty nice. For comparison, it's too bad that I don't have the old router, the black router from the AC86, because they would be comparable, like sizes and aspect, because the white color gives a little bit a different approach and look. Let's mount the antennas. I usually mount them and switch them to the side at 45 degrees, so the coverage would be better in all my house. Okay, this is how it looks with the antennas. That's the router. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In upcoming videos I will be posting how it behaves compared to my AC68, and if it's worth upgrading from the point of view of wireless speeds, internet speeds, interface speed, and attached USB HDD. And I will draw the conclusion after I test them both. One more thing, I got this piece of technology for about 200 euros. Usually in my country it is rated around 270 euros for this model, and I got it on discount, so this is my router. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.